Berlin is Germany's largest metropolis. We are proud to be manufacturing our products here in the city. When walking down the big, well-known streets, I believe we have made a significant contribution to how the city looks today. And yes, we are proud of that.
Ja, ich bin Bastian Timm.
I am Bastian Timm, owner of TIMM Fensterbau, and I have been with the company since 2010. Leading this company into our future every day is a special privilege. My family has been doing this reliably for 3 generations. Currently, my wife, my cousins, and myself.
Ja, die Kunden sind vielfältig.
Our customers are diverse because we have a variety of business areas, ranging from large-scale projects and the high-security sector to after-sales. We also have a business area that focuses on the historical restoration of box windows. Currently, we count almost 160 employees. We produce windows made of all kinds of materials except plastic in 4 factories on almost 18,000 square meters. And we will be building another factory here on the site soon.
Ja, das Thema Nachhaltigkeit.
Sustainability has taken an integral role in the market. We are carpenters, so wood is our passion. Wood has always been our most important material. Accordingly, the majority of our investments is always into the wood factory.
Ja, die Besonderheit.
What makes us unique is that we have an extremely wide range of different basic window systems, both in wood and wood aluminum. We manufacture everything from simple windows with historical design to insulating glass constructions, box windows, composite windows, lift and slide systems, and doors, of course. Of course, all of these products are available with basic security to high security and bulletproof classes. That's why, compared to many other production facilities, we place a strong focus on cellular manufacturing. This allows us flexibility while maintaining high-speed manufacturing capability for the relevant products. We obviously also paid a lot of attention to the machines, as these CNC machines are the heart of our manufacturing. Our first machine came in 2011, a BOF Venture special purpose machine for arched window and front door production. In 2013, we replaced our through-feed machines. We then moved on to purchase CNC systems capable of producing batch sizes ranging from 1 to 1,000. This step was in partnership with HOMAG. We were able to launch a new wood aluminum product on the market, which also featured pendulum drilling, almost impossible to implement by hand. In 2013, we additionally developed a strategy with HOMAG which enabled us to create a closed parapet joint, which we then patented. In terms of durability as well as appearance, we certainly enjoyed clear advantages over our competitors. Starting in 2022, we realized that the old machines would need to be replaced. From day one, HOMAG provided us with comprehensive advice on the new machine series. Since the machines didn't quite fit in here, we were able to shorten one of them by 1 meter. Together, we found a solution. We collaborated down to a centimeter scale. This enabled us to partially integrate the static pillars into the machine.
Und wir haben es einfach jetzt auch mit der neuen.
With the new generation, we were again able to set up the system so that one person can operate both systems at the same time.
Wir haben hier 2 Maschinen.
We operate 2 machines from the CENTATEQ S-900 series, comprising 2 tables and 4 spindles. We also have 2 BMG 511s as special purpose machines for window and door production. Due to the wide variety of products at TIMM, we chose the large tool package with 2 tool towers and 2 quick change systems. The transition to the new generation was virtually seamless. The key advantage is that the production manager has high flexibility in how to distribute orders across the 4 machines. This provides ideal control capacity because the 4 machines run on the same software.
Wir arbeiten dran.
We are working towards becoming climate neutral by 2025. This is another reason why we chose HOMAG. HOMAG covers all areas in that regard, from extraction technology to access control. So the concept we started in 2015 and that we have been continuing in 2024 with all its new technologies, including the new clamping technology, which provides us with even more flexibility and speed, has made us significantly more productive. We initially defined a performance target. In the end, we realized that we had exceeded all of the performance targets. I would recommend HOMAG for various reasons. First, because they are very reliable. This applies in particular to production times, but also to service. Collaboration runs smoothly and very swiftly.
und sehr, sehr schnell.
Und aber auch im
But
Vorfeld.
another factor that in my eyes should not be underestimated is the early stage of consulting for tool and machine design.
Ich würde HOMAG weiter.
I would recommend HOMAG because they are one of our essential production partners who help us do our job even better every day.
Das Gefühl,
We have demonstrated that we are a highly progressive, dynamic company over the past years, and we love that. We offer excellent products with many unique selling points. We are active in various niche markets, and ultimately, and most importantly, we have a great team with great employees. Therefore, I am not worried about the future. On the contrary, I am very optimistic that we will continue to be successful.